ranking, we talk about keywords, right? So in visibility, we said everything you are doing in social media, no social media work, everything you're doing, everything is about visibility. That's all you want. You just want to get visible, right? You want to be known. You want people to be aware of what you do. That's why you're doing social media. It is not to show off your latest clothes. It's not to show off your village clothes. It's not to show off it's not to tell everybody that you can cook. It's not to show them the back of your wall or your kitchen or your toilet or all of that. No, it's not that. It is to tell everyone that this is what you do, all right, that they should know you and probably refer you, buy from you, all right. It is about visibility, all right. Now let me just point out this before I go too far. Many of us know how to do the media thing. You know how to take the pictures, you know how to post the pictures, all right, but you don't know how to do the social part. I don't call social media a what's it called? People say it's a digital marketing or digital media marketing thing. I don't define it as digital media. Why? I believe social media is very different from digital media. Digital media most times refers to platform. All right, social media is much more than platform. Social media, it's about interactions, it's about engagement, it's about people. All right, social media is about people, right? So now if you remove the people element from social media, then it just becomes any other regular form of digital marketing. All right, now social media is about people. So never, hey Davina, thank you, welcome. Ruken UK, welcome. Kalito, welcome. Yes, educate us those. Hi. Cecilia, welcome. Right? So you cannot remove the social element from social media. And that social element is what makes social media very different. All right, the conversations, the back and forth, the engagement, that's what makes it very different. And that is why I do not lump it with the other digital media platforms. I think it's different, all right, because of that person element. And that's why it grew viral, right? People just like coming together, right? So coronavirus, I said we should be in our houses, so it would die off, right? But even in our houses we come together, right? So that's the thing. Man is a social animal. So the whole thing about hi Iguana, hello ma, welcome to my show, right? Welcome to my training, not my show. All right, so that's what it is. The social part is very, very important. So if you remove the social part, it's just any other digital platform. All right, so that's important. So I just want to clear that. So we talked about SEO, all right, that you have to optimize your platforms, all the platforms that you are on, the social media pages that you belong to, your bio, everything. You have to optimize for search. You have to optimize for search so that when they search for you, they can find you, right? People use keywords. We also talked about keywords. People use keywords to search for people. People search for people with how they think in their head. It's still your show because it's your stage. Abio, thank you so much, man. All right, so people use keywords, right? Because it is, that's just how they search. All right, so I say describe yourself the way your customer will describe you, right? If your customer was looking for what you were selling, what will your customer type? Do you understand? If your customer was looking for what you had, all right, for what you are an expert in, for the products that you had, for the trainings that you had, for whatever course that you had, if your customer was looking for that product, what will your customer type in the search? That is what you should type in your bio. That is what you should use to describe yourself. Those are the things you should use when you are writing your stories, when you are writing your caption, everything about what the customer would say. those are the words you should be using. So you should basically be mimicking every single thing that the customer is searching for. Just carry that and put it. Do you understand? So we talked about that. Talked about Google ranking and said you should open everything related to Google My Business, YouTube, Blogspot, anything that Google has, open it. Anything that Google has, open it. Open an account there too, and periodically use it, because Google likes its own, right? So as much as possible, it will share its own stuff, right? So we talked about that. What did we talk about again? About AEC, right? So we said that AEC means attract, engage, and convert. So you want somebody to buy from you. This is the first time the person is meeting you, right? Engage with the person first. You've attracted them with some type of content, right? So engage with the person first. Have a conversation. Let that conversation lead to something. All right? Don't just first time they're seeing you say, hey, bring that money. Do you understand? There's a lot of turn off, right? The person could just be turned off, right? Hey, thanks, Davina. The person could be turned off when that happens. So you want to make sure you have you establish some form of relationship, right? So you've attracted them, then you engage them before you try to convert them. All right? It helps your process and makes it better for your clients to stay longer. One, but while they are going to stay longer, what it also does for you is it makes it possible. All right, thank you so much. Nakil Pharmacy, thank you. Fola Akimiola, thank you for being here. SE Star, thank you for being here. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, educators. Those, right? So that's what you want to do, right? Don't just go for the kill. Don't just ask for their wallets. All right. Now there's a saying that goes, before you ask for my wallet, ask for my heart. Do you understand? Show you care first. All right. Try to solve the problem before you start going for the back pocket and say, hey, bring that wallet. Do you understand? It's easier that way. Then know your customer. KYC. You need to know your customers, right? If you do not know your customer, the problem you will have is you'll probably be talking to people that are not ready to buy what you are selling. For example, real estate guys that send blast emails hoping to reach everybody that they want to reach. All right, so they just send emails. All right, so there are a few guys that stay in Ajegunle, right, and they are offering, this beautiful apartment in Banana Island, or they are offering this beautiful apartment in Ikoyi or in VGC, for example, right? The guys in Ajegunle, right, living in one-room apartments, all they are interested in is I just need to eat for today. All right, so majority of Nigerians, a lot of them spend their money just eating. They just want to eat. It's just survival. All right, survival mode. All right, so they're trying to sell that type of estate or that type of building to these guys. These guys are not interested. Do you understand? They won't be. All right, and you're telling them all the beautiful things. You're going